What do you want? Outside? What? What do you want? I don't know what that means. What? What? You want to go outside? Okay, say outside. You want to go outside? Say okay. Okay. Don't get frustrated. Well, let's go outside then. You want to go outside with Mommy? I guess that's a yes. Say okay. You're cute. The letter B? Chalk? Tell me about it. Uh-huh. What do you want to do now? That? Okay. The bike? I see you. You can do it. You can do it. Climb up there. Go, girl. I knew you could do it. What do you want? The magazine? The book? Say book. Uh-oh. You want this book? You going to read a little Rachel Ray? Why don't you find something to make for dinner tonight? Okay, super. That. Is he good? Yeah? Is it cold? Yum! Uh-oh. You don't have to put it back on the stick. Just eat it. There you go. Mmm. Say, ooh, cold. Is it cold? No, not more.
Done.
Oh, done. That's right. You can give me the stick? Thank you.
Here, Mom.
Thank you, Kara. You're all done too?
Yes.
Good work.
Here.
Thanks.
Get.
What's a fishy say? What's a doggy say? What's a monkey say? What does a cow say? What? faking it now, Kara. 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 You're totally faking. Alright. Okay. I think you're faking it, Kara.